Florida? Yeah, I hear you, Big Bird. Sounding good down there. Happy holidays. Yeah, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you. Yeah, you sound like a local down here. Have a good one. All right, Big Bird, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Getting any snow up around your way? No snow up around my place. It's 50 degrees today. It's supposed to be 61 today. But about a week from now, it's going to get real cold. I was going to say, it must have warmed up. I thought I seen something on the map the other day where y'all was down in the 30s. But okay, I was glad to know it ain't that cold. Yeah, we've been high 30s, but we had some flurries, but nothing stuck, and then it warmed up again. Yeah, well, we don't usually see snow here in Florida. Although I have seen it twice, been about 30 years, but it didn't last long. Yeah, I don't like the cold. Hey, don't hold it against me. I'm from California. I've been out here about 45 plus years, and I don't like the cold. Devil. Yeah, well, I'm from Chicago. Last time I saw snow in Florida, we got about a half inch in Lakeland that was just barely sticking. I saw 10 car accidents in about 30, 40 minutes time. And I just sat in the front yard in a lawn chair and smoked a cigarette and pointed and laughed at all the people crashed into each other. Yeah, tenfold. Yeah, I've been in Chicago one time when I got out of the Army, and went with a friend when I got out, and went to his house way down there south of Chicago. Went on the subway, and man, it was the snow was over the cars. Tenfold. Yeah, that was every winter there where I grew up. And, yeah, I know what you mean. That's where I grew up, south of Chicago there, just a little ways. Yeah, I can't remember. It was like 800, 700, 800 Street down there, something like that. Yeah, I don't know. It's been a while. I think they changed the name of several of them in there, but yeah, you start, you take Interstate 57, it's a major drag through Illinois, just so is 55, just like 4 is here in Tampa and 75. And it just gets snowed in a matter of hours. You couldn't completely impassable the whole state, you know. And I lived off of 57 there, just south of Chicago. Yeah, tenfold. Well, I'm up there around Grenada, Mississippi, north central Mississippi, right next to I-55. Tenfold. Indian Pro. Alright, man, happy holidays down there. Good talking to you. 445. I'm going to catch you to get me some coffee. 445. Go get you some coffee there and enjoy the day, and good talking to you. Sound like a local. 18, I'm back quiet. Alright, 18. You know, I talked to you before. I made some video gates on you. I must have seen the video gates on 445 video gates, man. I do the same thing 351 does. Yeah, you got me on a couple of them there, local talking to John Boy. He lives right down the road from here. Not the same one that builds the boxes, but he talks on the radio quite a bit. Yeah, tenfold. Well, I'm about 40 minutes from the real John Boy that builds the boxes, tenfold. Yeah, I was getting ready to say you're up around that way. 10-4 on that. Yeah, I've been to his shop one time. Alright, we'll catch you later. I'm gonna get my coffee. I'll be back. Alright, have yourself a good one there.